Hey guys, I've got an update for you regarding the Black Ops 4 reveal event that's supposed to happen on May 17th. Gameco UK made a post on Twitter today saying, want to go on the trip of a lifetime to see the reveal of Call of Duty Black Ops 4 in LA? They said pre-order the game on their website by April 26th and you could win a pair of tickets to the event, and they're also willing to pay for flights and accommodations. So it looks like they may have some information regarding the actual location of it being in Los Angeles, or they could just be, taking a guess and assuming it's going to be there. But it definitely seems like, the community is going to be able to attend. I had gone to their website to see if there was any information about this giveaway, and there's really nothing on here. I talked to their chat support. They said they don't know anything and that I needed to email them to get some kind of correspondence about it. So I emailed them to find out about the legitimacy of this giveaway and to find out what are the rules and regulations and who all can actually participate. Once they let me know, I'll definitely update you guys, and I'll try to get as much information out of them as I can, and they're supposed to respond to me within 72 hours. So look for a video update on that pretty soon, hopefully. We're about a month out for this actual reveal event, so hopefully we'll be hearing something soon from Call of Duty or Activision regarding the time and place, so people can start scheduling their flights and getting their money together for this. If they're on track for the information that they're actually going to reveal during this event, then most likely we're going to see something about the campaign, and then maybe just a little screenshot here or there about the other modes, and then hopefully a little tiny peek at the zombies mode. The next event that's going to be happening is E3 in Los Angeles, and it's going to be from June 12th through the 14th. Activision does have a booth there, and most likely they're going to be talking about multiplayer at this event, but not sure which of the 3 days that's going to happen. E3 does have some scheduling on their website, but they don't have anything regarding Activision or Call of Duty and when they might be making their announcements. After E3 is over, the next month for July is going to be Comic-Con, and it's going to be between 19th and the 22nd. This is typically where they start revealing the zombies mode and showing the trailer and everything like that. So hopefully, it'll be the same schedule this year. In the past, they've revealed the zombies mode on the first day of Comic-Con, and for July's schedule, Comic-Con starts on the 19th, so hopefully we'll see something then. This is also around the time when they start announcing the pre-order special edition, for Black Ops 3, we got the Juggernog edition. After they had announced the Juggernog edition during, the Comic-Con week, it sold out within a couple of days, so if you guys are wanting the Black Ops 4 edition, then, get ready. We also need to take in consideration that the game is coming out a month early, so this scheduling may not be the same. However, E3 and also Comic-Con always happen the same time of year, and they typically do the reveals then, so I don't really see that changing. One thing that could be seen early is the beta. If they do offer it, the game's coming out a month early, and we typically see the beta in August, so will they move it to July? Next in the news is the update about the interview that Zombros is doing with Cameron Dayton from Sledgehammer. They did do the interview, and they were just waiting for the approval to post it, and he said that Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, they're going to be releasing the hour and 25-minute episode. So if you guys want to check that out, it should be pretty interesting. Also about the prediction poll for the World War II DLC to Shadow Throne Easter egg hunt and how fast it was going to be solved. Surprisingly, you guys got it right, and majority of people said it was going to be within 24 hours. The DLC was released Monday night on the 9th, and it was solved the next day by 4 p.m., so it was exactly 16 hours. In addition to the DLC 2 release, they're supposed to be releasing the zombie orders next week on the 17th. Cameron Dayton made a tweet about it, and there's going to be orders and contracts, and for those of you playing World War II Zombies, this should be really interesting to see. Also, to update you guys about Activision, Kevin Kelly has been hosting these live streams on Twitch, and they were trying to do them every week, and there's been a bit of a fiasco. Every time this guy has live streamed, the chat is typically blowing up about Modern Warfare 2 Remastered and also Spyro. Well, Spyro came true, so we're still waiting to hear on the other. He's going to be out of town for a while, so he's not going to be hosting those live streams, so he's not going to be a source for any kind of information regarding that. Italy's Amazon site said April 30th was going to be the release of Modern Warfare 2 Remastered, and we're coming up on about 2 weeks for that day, so we're gonna have to just see what happens. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.